Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson algebraic expressions, isn't it? Now coming to the new topic, that is factorization. So it is a new topic for you. Factorization of the algebraic expressions. Now find out the factors. So you know factors and multiples, isn't it? In ordinary numbers, you know. Now we are applying the same in algebraic expressions. Now there is a algebraic expression 8a squared b. Now you write this in the form of a product of some factors. So 8a squared b can be written as 1 into 8a squared b, isn't it? Or 2 into 2 how much za? 8 4 za a squared b. Or any way you can write. Some I am trying. So if you write 4a square. So if you write one of the factors as a product as a 4a square, so the other will be 4 how much is 8? 4 2 is 8. A squared already written, so one more will be b. Now if we take 8a squared, what is remaining there? B. Now if we take 8a as one factor, which will be the other? Here a squared, 1a is taken, so another a is there and b, isn't it? Okay, in case if we take a squared, then it will be a squared. If you take the other, it will be 8b. If you take 2a squared, then it will be 2 4 za 8. A squared is taken, so you will be having b. If you take 2ab, 2 how much za 8? 2 4 za. 1a is taken, so other a is there. B already you have taken. Now if we write 4a, 4 how much is 8? 4 2 is 8. 1a is written, so remaining is a, b. If we write 8ab, what's remaining there? 1a. So you can make as many as possible. So usually they will be asking write 3 or 4 like that. So here I tried some are 10, isn't it? Now coming to find the common factors of 3x squared and 6xy. Like ordinary numbers, here also you have to open it, isn't it? Split. So factors of 3x squared. 1 is a factor always. Now 3x squared, the number itself, 1 and the number itself. Now 3 is also a factor, x squared is also a factor, 3x is also a factor, and x is also a factor. So if you take 1, the remaining is 3x squared. If you take 3, the remaining is x squared. If you take 3x, the remaining is x. Okay? So write the factors. Now factors of 6xy. 1 itself, 1 and the number itself, isn't it? If you take 1, 2xy. If you take 2, 2 how much is 6? 3 is xy. Now if you take 3, the other will be 2xy, isn't it? 3 2s are 6 and xy. Okay. If we take 3x, if we take 1 as 3x, so it will be 3 2s are 6 and y. If you take 2x, 2 3s are and the other is y. If you take x, the other will be 6y. If you take y, the other will be 6x. Isn't it? So if you take 6x, the other will be y. So write as many as possible. Now see common factors. Common factors is equal to, so 1 is there, 3 is there, x is there, then 3x is there, x squared is not there, 3x squared is not there. So common factors are 1, 3, x and 3x. Okay. So find the common factors. First you write the factors and then the common factors you find. Now coming to the question, example 20, it's a find the HCF. So in the numbers also you know how to find out the HCF, isn't it? So HCF of 4a cube b cube and 12ab squared c. So find out for the number. Okay, so it is a HCF of 4 and 12. ये दोनों में HCF क्या है? The 4. Yes or no? छोटा नंबर HCF रहेगा. Okay, next HCF of a cube. Like terms देखो, a cube and a. ये दोनों में common क्या है? A and that is the HCF. Small one power, that is the HCF. Now HCF of b cube and b square. दोनों में HCF क्या है? b square. Therefore C के लिए इधर C है, इधर नहीं है. So we can't take. There is no common at all. Okay. Now HCF of 4a cube b cube and 12ab squared c is equal to number में 4 then a then b square. Okay. Did you understand? So variable the constant का मतलब numbers का ये ले लो, फिर variables अलग अलग variables का common क्या है. चलो और दूसरा मेथड है 4a cube b cube can be written as 2 into 2. 4 can be written as 2 2s are 4. Prime factorization. Okay. A can be written as 3 times a cube, then b cube, b 3 times. Now 12ab squared c. So 12 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now a 1 time, b 2 times and c 1 time. Isn't it? 2 2s are 4, a 3 times, b 3 times. 12 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Then A one time, B two times and C. Now common factors. Is equal to 1 time 2, 2, sorry, common factors है ना, 2 and then it is A one time, B two times. Okay. Now HCF. What we are going to do? Multiply all. 2 2s are 4, A, B square. Shown two methods, isn't it? So understood both? Is it clear? Now find the HCF of 21 x cube y to the power 7 and 35 x to the power 5 and y to the power 5. So if we go on writing like this, it will be very big. So we are using this method only. So HCF of 21 and 35. 21 and 35 कौन से सबसे बड़े टेबल में है? It is 7, है ना? HCF of x cube and x to the power 5. Smallest is x cube. Now HCF of y to the power 7 and y to the power 5. Common क्या है? Y to the power 5. Okay. So HCF of 21 x cube y to the power 7 and 35 x to the power 5 y to the power 5 is equal to, number is 7, x is cube and y is to the power 5. So this is the answer. Understood? Now coming to the factorize the binomial. You have to factorize. How to factorize? So find out the HCF. So ये दोनों में 3x squared y minus 6xy squared. So in this HCF अभी डायरेक्ट करेंगे. 3 और 6 में कॉमन क्या है? HCF is 3. x squared और x में x, y और y squared में y. It should be common for both. Then it is the HCF, isn't it? So the highest number with which it can be divided. So it should be common for both. So now coming to the factorization. कैसे करेंगे? This can be written as, okay, पहले के बाद में लिखेंगे. This can be written as 3xy. कॉमन को बाहर ले लो. क्या बचा? 3xy. बाहर लेंगे तो 8x बचा. हाँ या ना? 3 बाहर लिया. x में 1 लिया है, 1 अंदर जाएगा एंड y बाहर. अभी साइन इधर माइनस. अभी 3 हाउ मच 6? 3 2s 6. x ऑलरेडी बाहर लिया है, y 1 बाहर है तो अंदर जाएगा 1 y. So these 3xy and x minus 2y are the factors of 3x squared y minus 6xy squared. Did you understand? So factorize मतलब ऐसे कॉमन को बाहर लेने का. Clear? Now coming to example 23. Find the HCF of the terms and factorize. चलो क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे 18x cube y square plus 36xy to the power 4 minus 24x squared y cube. Check the question again. It is a 18x cube y squared plus 36xy to the power 4 minus 24x squared y cube. अभी HCF 18, 36, 24 सबसे बड़ा कौन सा टेबल में आता है? It is a 6. Okay. Then x cube x squared. So it is only x. Y squared y to the power 4 y to the power 3. It is only y squared. नंबर में आप लोग कौन सा टेबल में हाईएस्ट कौन सा टेबल में ये आएगा? देखो 2 में आता है लेकिन 4 में नहीं है ना. देन यू हैव टू थिंक ऑफ 6. सो 6 में सब आएगा. 8 में नहीं, 10 तो नहीं. सो ऐसे देखने का. फिर ये वेरिएबल्स का क्या करने का? सबसे कम जहाँ है x cube x squared, that is why x. Then y squared y to the power 4 and y cube means y squared is the common HCF. Now this can be written as, the question can be written as 18x cube y squared plus 36xy to the power 4 minus 24x squared y cube can be written as 6xy squared, that is the common, and the what is remaining? 6 how much? 18. 6 3s. x1 is written. Now 2 is remaining. क्यूब में 1 लिया है तो 2 बचेगा. y squared already it is written. So finished. Now put the sign. 6 how much? 36. 6 6. X already it is written. Y to the power 4. 4 में से 2 लिखा है तो क्या बचेगा? 2. 6y squared. अभी साइन है माइनस. 6 how much? 24. 6 4s 24. Now x1 x is written, so 1 is remaining, right? Y cube, so y squared is written, 1 y is remaining. So बाहर जो लिया है उसको अंदर कितना बचेगा उसको लिखने का. प्रोडक्ट का ऑपोजिट, पहले हम जो भी किए हैं वी वर फाइंडिंग द प्रोडक्ट, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखते हैं. अभी उसका रिवर्स. सो द फैक्टर्स आर 6xy squared and 3x squared plus 6y squared minus 4xy. These two are the factors of this expression. Did you understand? HCF कैसे निकालने का समझ में आया? पहले नंबर, फिर हर एक अल्फाबेट को पूछो और उसको HCF को लिखो. देन फैक्टराइज. कॉमन को HCF को बाहर लिखेंगे, जो बचा है वो ब्रैकेट के अंदर जाएगा. Hope everyone understood this much. Okay then, bye. Thank you.